So iOS 26.5.2 has been out for a little bit, and you might be wondering how to fix it if for some reason it's not installing. Now keep in mind this is a pretty big update for the most part, but it's an important update. The first reason why it might not be installing on your device is typically because of some storage issues. So you can always make your way over to your settings application like this, scroll down until you find General, tap on it, click on iPhone storage, which you have over here, and then go through and try to clear out as much storage as possible. That's probably going to be one of the biggest things you can probably end up doing. So clear out your storage, try to save up as much storage on your device as possible, and that's another very important thing I'd recommend doing. Now, if that doesn't end up doing it, another thing you might want to try doing is to go through and just manage your battery. So make sure your battery life and everything is basically charged up as much as it can be, because that could be one of the problems you might end up running into here as well. So try charging up your phone. That is another one of those things that could probably end up causing the problem. Now you can also try basically starting your phone. So hold the volume up in the side button, basically slide the power off your device, give it a few seconds, power back on your iPhone, and that could very well end up fixing the problem for you as well. Now if that doesn't end up doing it, you might want to try basically deleting and or removing that update and try seeing if you can reinstall it from that point. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.